Sure, and this is hard, but at the end of the day, Amazon is a publicly traded company, and their fiduciary responsibility is to the investors. Jeff Bezos being one of them, one of the largest ones. So at the end of the day, Amazon has lost money for nearly 20 years as they built up this massive ecosystem, and now they're getting to a point where their shareholders are demanding returns. And unfortunately, as an affiliate program matures, it's one of the areas that some margin can be taken out of. I've seen it, with other affiliate programs as well. It's just as things progress, as they build that stronghold, they need affiliates less. Not saying that the affiliate program is less important to them, but that they can use the different levers, and one of the levers being, what percent commission they are willing to pay out for different categories to kind of ensure that they're getting maximum value, maximum return from their affiliate program. So, lawn was hit, but I think consumer electronics was left alone. So one would imply that consumer electronics is still an area where Amazon values people pushing recommendations, pushing product sales through. That being said, just because it's important today doesn't mean it will be important next April, et cetera. This is somewhat of a dynamic piece. So also with the COVID, the pandemic piece, it makes sense to some degree why they cut some of those categories. They don't need to incentivize people for grocery delivery because it seems that everyone is using Amazon grocery at the moment to get food delivered because they don't want to go to grocery stores. It's a hard reality, and huge empathy for everyone watching, for our clients as well. This sucks, but on the other side of the coin, I understand the unfortunate reality of working with one of the largest companies in the world, that a company exists to make money, unfortunately.
And they have leverage. So what are you going to do? Which is actually one of the questions in here. And someone did ask, actually like 100 people asked that one. Some people are asking about switching to drop shipping or something like that. So I'll tackle this one and say, yeah, you can look at drop shipping. If you have traffic, and I've said this on a few live streams, and Jesse and I are going to do as many questions as we have. We have a bit of a harder stop at the top of the hour here. And basically, you can look into another business model. Definitely. And if you have traffic, you can probably figure out a way to monetize it. You can work directly with companies. You can go to a different affiliate program. You could sell ads on your site directly to companies. So you're managing it and you're not going through an ad network. You can go through an ad network. And if you're a little more ambitious and you're like, hey, you know what? I want to start a physical business or a physical product business. I want to do drop shipping. I want to do private labeling, however you want to frame it. There's definitely an aspect of opportunity here. So whenever there's a crazy downturn and there's a correction and just shit's going sideways, you definitely have an opportunity. It's harder. Believe me, I haven't even done it, but I know it's harder. And I know that at this point in time, a lot of people are like, you know what? I'm taking my ball, I'm going home. And if you stick around and if you make it out the other side, whether it's 2 months or 2 years, whenever this sort of lifts, there's going to be some strong companies that got started right now. So if you have a drop shipping company now's an interesting time to buy some affiliate sites where people are getting rid of them. Or if you're thinking, hey, I got a ton of traffic, why don't I sell the products directly? Who can I partner with? So you can try and go directly to the company. You can look at a drop shipping model. You can look at some, blend of, I don't know if there's a blend of the two, but you could look at different options. But there's definitely opportunities now because people are panicking. Hopefully no one's making any, abrupt decisions. But drop shipping, one of the aspects you may have to look at is customer service and fulfillment. So the fulfillment could be an easy piece. Customer service could be an easy piece. If you have not done either one of those, there's a few things you'll have to learn about each. And I think that's the challenge where there's like maybe 4 or 5 pieces of a business operations that you haven't done before. And it gets a little complicated. You have HR issues where the easy part, one of the reasons why I like affiliate marketing is you just get the traffic over the people that are already interested in making a purchase. And then you let the, Amazon in this case, or whatever company, you let them convert. And that, it's great. And it depends on what you want to work on. And I didn't want to have a team of people. I didn't want to deal with customer service. I didn't want to deal with fulfillment or any of the other aspects, customs and bringing in products or whatever. So I opted for the easier, the less overhead kind of model, which is affiliate marketing. So that's my thoughts on drop shipping and so on.
So if I can add one thing to that, then you hit it kind of early on and just kind of briefly hit it again, but that's community. Your job as an affiliate marketer should primarily be to build a community and then monetize that community. And affiliate marketing is a medium to monetize that community. But at the end of the day, your best effort is to build a group of people that you can build trust, you can build engagement with, because that can be monetized in various different ways. So you said it, I just wanted to reemphasize that because I think it's such an important point.
Very good. And next question is around choice pages. And someone asks, is there a benefit to choice pages instead of having 2 buttons or 2 links directly on the page? And then there's a follow-up, something we talked about earlier, Jesse, as far as like using Amazon quote assets like an image and then other affiliate programs. So one of our mutual friends, Matt Allen over at Links Pro, mentioned this, sent out an email. So there's a little bit of nuance, and I'll sort of turn it over to you. And I'm not as familiar with this area, so I'll just be upfront about that.
Sure. I forgot what the first question is, but let's tackle this other one first. So yeah, I think it's Rule Z in part of the pages and pages and pages that are Amazon operating agreement and the policies page. I forget exactly what the language is, but the gist is that Amazon doesn't want you to abuse their assets. They don't want you to abuse their API. So if you're getting assets from them or you're getting information from them, it's important that you include an Amazon link in close proximity. So if you'll notice that we populated the art and the title and so forth, and the Amazon link came first, and that's to stay in compliance with Amazon's rules. Amazon is fine with including other retailers, and you can see this by some of the biggest affiliate marketers out there, the Wirecutters, CNET, Digital Trends, et cetera. You see a lot of these major corporations that wouldn't risk having Amazon come after them, including multiple buy buttons, multiple links, et cetera, including Amazon's prices as well. So unfortunately, the way that rule is written, it can definitely be interpreted in an incredibly strict way, or it can be interpreted in what I believe is the correct way. And the correct way is that, don't be stupid and use Amazon's assets without promoting Amazon affiliate links.
Okay, perfect.
What was the earlier question? Sorry.
The first one was using why use choice pages instead of having just 2 buttons directly on your site. Sure.
So one of the beauty of choice pages is that they can be used anywhere. So Amazon's rules say you can't use affiliate links in email. Amazon has additional overhead in regards to using affiliate links in social media, et cetera. So choice pages were built to encompass all those other extra requirements and make sure that our clients are completely compliant when they're using choice pages. Choice pages were not specifically built to be used inside of a website. That being said, we've seen some success stories of them, but I think there is definitely some opportunity to expand those choice pages maybe as a widget of sorts to kind of include it there. And you've seen, as Matthew Allen with Links Pro or AAWP have had great success kind of having those compare boxes, buy boxes, et cetera. And I think this is an opportunity for us to do something similar where the choice page technology is built into the actual web page in a clean way. But yeah, we're getting there step by step.
Very good. And let's see, is there an easy way to convert old single link to a choice page link?
Yeah, inside the GeniusLink, you go to edit a single Amazon link. It'll tell you if we found other retailers, and you can click to create a choice page from there. So it's just click to edit, which is the gear on the far right hand side. We'll scan the link, check it against all the retailers we currently support, and then it's a couple more clicks to build a choice page from there. So yeah, it should be a very easy seconds to convert those.
Okay, very good. And just quick question, and I don't know, I didn't tell you I was going to ask this. So,
but you didn't tell me half the things you were going to ask. It's more fun this way.
I could just say it came from the audience, and you won't know any different. But how much does GeniusLink cost for people that are not signed up, just so they have a scope of like how much this is?
Starts at $5. $5 a month. If you have crazy volume, the price will increase. We call it utility-based pricing, but yeah, starts at $5. That being said, for your guests, ping me and I'll make sure they get an extended free trial.